Hey, I'm Drew. If you haven't met me yet, I handle all service and detail related requests here at the marina. As we get closer to the spring season, I want to remind everyone that being proactive with your scheduling guarantees a smooth transition into the boating season. The schedule fills up quick once we get into April, and once we start stacking 80-degree days in May, the last thing you want is to be waiting in the queue for service. When you book an appointment with me, your asset gets more than just a fluid check. My certified technicians will leave no room for a ruined day on the lake. From the electrical system to the engine itself, our basic summarization package ensures that when you turn the key, there's no question about how she'll perform. You can trust our team will care for your vessel as if it was our own. And if you're looking to get your boat back to showroom condition, no one takes more pride in the presentation than Josh, my detail manager. Any amount of time you choose to leave your boat with the detail department is time well spent. From a basic soap and water washdown to a full detail, we provide results you can be proud of. I would encourage you to schedule soon. Spring is right around the corner, and now's the time to plan how you want your boating season to start. Again, just give me a call and I'll take care of the rest. I look forward to seeing you soon.